Have you ever faced difficulty in remembering what you read, or you have to read too often? This happens when you are not engaged in learning. Then you should try a scientific learning method called SQ4R. Today's video is about SQ4R learning method. SQ4R is a method of reading and studying textbooks. It is an acronym for Survey, Questions, Read, Respond, Record, and Review. SQ4R is an effective method for reading, understanding, and remembering information from your textbooks. It is designed to help process and increase retention of written information. SQ4R method consists of 6 steps that helps to guide you through your textbooks and other written information. This method helps you to increase your understanding of written material and more efficient studying. In the first step, you have to scan the textbook or written material to establish its purpose or to get the main ideas. This can include skipping to summary at the end of the chapter and reading only main points. While surveying the material, you have to consider the supporting features such as title and headings, pictures, questions, introductions and conclusion, footnotes. Ask yourself, what is the chapter about? What are the major topics included in the chapter? The next step is that prepare questions based on what you observed during the first step. These questions can be based on titles, headings, pictures or ballpoints, introduction and conclusion or footnotes. Turn headings into questions and try to figure out what information will follow. Ask yourself who, what, where, when, why, and how. By asking these questions and seeking the answers to the questions, you can concentrate and focus on your efforts. Now you have to actively read the material. One important point on this step is to make sure you are not trying to find the answer only. This may cause you to miss out the other important information. This question and answer process can help you to become an active rather than a passive reader. After you have read the section, without looking at the text and in your own words, try to answer your questions you made. If you can answer them correctly, then move on to another steps. If you are unable to answer the questions, reread the section until you can. If after 2-3 tries you are still not able to answer the questions, go on to the next couple of sessions and see if it becomes clearer. If you are still unable to answer the questions or having hard times in understanding the session, please contact your tutor or teacher. Once you know the material and are able to answer the questions, the next step is to record what you have learned. This can be done in multiple ways and it is based on your preferences. You can highlight the information or to make notes based on your understanding. Reviewing the material on a consistent basis is an effective study strategy that is often overlooked. Many students will review the material once or twice before an exam, but not a weekly basis leading up to it. It is best to review the material weekly as it will help you to remember more of the information longer. This can also have other positive benefits such as decreased study time before an exam and increased confidence because you have already know the materials. If you follow the SQ4R learning method in reading and understanding information, this method can help you to improve your understanding and memory of important information. Also, this method challenges you to become an active reader. Hope you like it. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more learning related videos like this. Thank you.